Hey guys, Ron here with Bassmaster Burton Fishing. It's been 2 months since I made the last video, and that is way too long. Had a lot going on, but everything's good now, settled in, moved, but I decided to come back and fish one of my favorite places, so I'm gonna try to pick up where I left off, and should be getting more videos out on the regular now, like I was before, and a lot more new spots. But I love docks, and so I decided to come down here again, and my next few videos will be in different areas. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back at it, fishing this guy. You could have probably already guessed it, red shad U-tail by Zoom. If you don't have any of these, you need to leave your house right now and go get some, because they're really good. All right, let's get after it. All right, guys, just like we never missed a beat. First bass in 2 months, way too long. Small, but he's chunky. Thank you. Feels good to hold one of you guys again. Right. Whoa, bass number 2. It's a good one. Beautiful fish. It's a good chunky one. Well, not a bad one. He's probably gonna have a headache after all the jumping around he did. Got us another one. Hey, I'll take it. Gonna have another headache fish here. Another one, guys. He's definitely gonna have a headache. That's a good one. I think it's a good one. Waist fight like a good one. Oh, yeah, he's a good one. Gosh, come on out here. Whoa, 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 buddy. Wow. Yeah, that's a good one right there. It's solid. Solid fish. Heck yeah. Check out that one, y'all. It's a solid keeper right there. Some good fish. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Oh, she goes. All right, guys. Little bitty dude. Literally the first bass all night that almost came directly off the bank. All right, guys, this is day 2 of the video. Me and Kyle are out here at Sycamore Creek. Got old Kyle here in the background, throwing a jig. See if we can get on some in the creek today. It's pretty out here. All right, guys, first one, little smallie, took a couple hours. We haven't had any luck. Little bitty dude. Came off this right here. It's a lure made by Gambler Lures. It's like a little crawdad. All right, guys, got us a nice little rock bass. On the Gambler lure. Beautiful little rock bass. Mr. Kyle just got on a rock bass. There we go. Little bitty dude. No, this one was a rock bass. A rock bass. No, but there's a smallmouth up in here too. Just caught this guy. Nice smallmouth. Beautiful smallie. I need to get something better for recording. Got it. That was a struggle. That was a struggle. You got one, Kyle? Little smallie. Guys, that was an insanely tough day that me and Kyle had. We saw fish all over the place, and they would not bite. We cast 10, 15 times same spot just to get one to hit. I know this year's kind of tough. September kicked my butt last year, and it's always been a difficult time of year because there's so much happening with the oxygen in the water and the fish moving and moving to different areas and things. But even at the lake at night, it was hard to get fish. I know it'll be different in a few weeks, but it was definitely tough conditions, but basically finessed everything. But yeah, I got to get a mount for my chest so I can record. It's hard to do it with a tripod on the creeks, but I'll get something better for it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Bassmaster Burton Fishing. Peace, guys.